Okay, if your rubber foot has come off your two-wheel cart front bumper, I'm going to show you how to reattach that. So the first thing you want to do is tip your cart onto its back. Okay, and the way this works is as you tighten this screw, it's going to pull this nut down and compress it, and it's going to expand this rubber wall against the hole, edge of the hole here, and that's what holds it into place. So simply put it back into place. Take your wrench that came with the hose reel and tighten it down. And as you tighten it, you're going to feel it get harder and harder. You're pulling that nut down and expanding that rubber column. You don't want to overdo it. Just feel like when it gets good and firm, and there you go. That's how you reattach it.